Today we'll be doing some JAMB-like and WAEC objective questions. Now, coming from chemistry of SS1. The rusting of iron is dash. Is it a a physical, sublimation, or decantation? Now, one thing you should know is that when you get an example and you really don't know what to do, you should start by cancelling the odd one out. Now, before I start this, please, I would like you all to encourage me by please subscribing. Just click the bell. Please subscribe to this channel. It really helps a lot. It encourages one. Now, please, this resting of iron is what? Of course, it cannot be sublimation or decantation because why? There are those two are separation techniques, which will come to that. So that's why you need to subscribe so that when we post the video, you get to know that first. You'll be the first to know. Now, physical and chemical are the two that are left out, and that is a smart way now to answer a question. Now, you should understand the concept. What is a physical change? A physical change is a change that is not easily, that is reversible and no new substance are formed. Meanwhile, chemical change are changes that are not easily reversible and then new substance are formed. For instance, physical change, a salt, if I take a salt and pour in water, there is still a way I can bring down my salt out. Or if I take a water and put it in a cup and I put it in a fridge, it becomes iced. And there is still a way I can turn down my ice back to normal water, and that is what? By boiling. Thank you. So, chemical change, an example of chemical change is something that cannot be easily reversed at all, or might be easily reversed but not very easy. For instance, the decay of decay of something, once it decays. So, or the burning of food. So the rusting of iron cannot be easily reversed. So that I'll pick that as my chemical change. Next question says, which is a mixture? Now, which is a mixture? Don't forget, we have elements, compound, and mixture. Now, this is an element because it stands alone. So this will be out. I'm taking the odd one out. That is a very, very fine way to answer your question. And then this is calcium, carbon, and oxygen. There are how many elements? 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. So I will pick this as a compound. Don't forget that compound is a mixture of 2 or more elements. Then mixture itself is now the either compound plus element or several elements or several compounds. Something like that. So this is a compound. I'll be taking this out. Same thing with this. This is also a compound. I'll also be taking this out because it's 3. This is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So they are all compound. But air is a mixture because from air I can get oxygen, which is an element, carbon 4 oxide, which is a compound, dust. Dust is just another constituent on its own. Moisture, rare gases, nitrogen. Nitrogen is an element. So I'll be picking D as my final answer. So these are tips on how to answer your question by picking the odd one out and just simply using your brain to cipher things. Everything is not all about guessing your work. So please, I would like you all to leave me with a subscribe. Also leave your questions in the comment section, and for those of you that want to join our WhatsApp group, you can also leave your number there. Thank you very much, and God bless.